all the way up to the end, you just need to speak out the complete paragraph, starting from the first all the way up to the end. No one-line strategies, no shortcuts, whatever is going out in the market, that's fine, let them be. But we are not going to fall into that trap right now. Even though we may be getting scores if we are doing that as of now, there is no guarantee that will still work in the future. When those changes happened recently for describe image and retail lecture, Pearson did not give us a lot of notice period. They gave us like 4 days that we're going to change this to this. All those shortcuts are not going to work. So what happened? Whatever shortcuts we were using, we on the spot had to change. And especially for us, for retail lecture, no major changes. All we had to do was increase our phrases, but we were still speaking phrases. Imagine if all of, like, you have practiced for 2 months taking keywords, single words, and a week before your exam, you get to know that now keywords are not going to give you any marks. You need to take phrases. Imagine the kind of pressure and panic you would be in. And that is something we need to avoid over here. One-line strategy or whatever is going out there, that is not something which is going to be feasible for a long time. Like I said, it may be working now. There's no guarantee when it's going to stop. And Pearson is not going to come in front of everyone and say, okay, we are fixing this. Now they just fix all these glitches in the back end. So we just want to be absolute sure that when we give the exam, we're not doing these experiments and we're actually getting our marks. So all you do is, starting from the very beginning all the way up to the end, you speak out the complete paragraph. Only thing you can do is, if you come across 1 or 2 words in your complete paragraph which were extremely difficult, like so complex to a point where if you even try to speak out those words, you will 120% fumble. Like that will impact your fluency. It is okay to skip 1 or maximum, and that is the maximum, 2 words per paragraph. No more than that. But again, that's not a compulsion. You have to skip 2 words in every paragraph. If it's the worst case scenario, you know it will impact your fluency and you have used your preparation time to actually try to speak out that word. But if you're still unable to, that is when you can make up your mind to skip those 1 or 2 words. But that's the max you can afford.